Hi, good morning. Today we cover some more frequently asked questions on ADF. Let's start the section. What is copy data activity in Azure Data Factory? In Azure Data Factory and Synapse pipelines, we can use the copy activity to copy data among data stores located on premises and in the cloud. You can copy the data. You can use other activities to further transform and analyze it. For creating the copy activity, you need to have your source and destination ready. Here destination is called as a sink. Copy activity requires linked services dataset. About this linked service and dataset, I will discuss later. Next question. What is get metadata activity in Azure Data Factory? Actually, the get metadata activity, the information can include details about files, tables, or other objects in your data store. It means it contains reading metadata information of its source as the name of the file or folder. It contains two types as folder level field list, file level field list. In folder level field list, we can have child items, exit, item name, item type, last modified. In file level field list, it contains column count, content, applicable only to files, exits, item name, item type, last modified, size, structure. Next question, what is data flow? Data flow is an activity in a pipeline. It is used to perform transformation over data to perform transformations. It contains mapping data flows are used. These are used under data flow activity. Transformations are source, union, join, filter, select, derived column, exit, sync, etc. We have some source setting. There are three options like allow schema drift, infer drift column types, validity schema. So allow schema drift. Select allow schema drift if the source column will change often. This setting will allow all incoming fields from your source to flow through the transformation to the sink. Next, infer drift column type. It allows auto detection of drift column types. Validate schema. It contains setting this option will cause data flow to fail if any column and type defined in the projection does not match the discovered schema of the source data. Next, what is filter activity? Filter activity is it is used to filter out the input array based on certain conditions. There are two types of activities. One is item and another is condition. What is for each activity? It defines a repeating control flow. This activity is used to iterate over a collection and execute specified activities in a loop. There are two options for each activity. One is sequential, but another is batch count. What is sequential means? The loop should be executed sequentially or in parallel. Batch count. It is used for controlling the number of parallel executions. Maximum is 50 batches and minimum there is no. Next, can we use nested for each activity on ADF? It is most frequently asked question. Nested for each activity is not allowed, but you could use an execute pipeline activity inside the for each activity, and in the nested pipeline you could have another for each. What is conditional split? Conditional split allows you to split the input stream into n number of output streams based on expressions conditions. Rows not matching the conditions will be routed to default output. Next, can data flow work with self-hosted integration runtime? This is also one of the most questions we asked for experienced people. Linked service with self-hosted integration runtime is not supported as a source in data flows. Instead, use the copy activity to stage the data in Azure Blob or ADLS and then use the data flows with the data set. What is Key Wallets? Azure Key Wallet is a cloud service for securely storing and accessing secrets. A secret is anything that you want to tightly control access to, such as API keys, passwords, certificates, or cryptographic keys. Key value service supports two types of container. One is wallet and another is managed hardware security module pools. Next, why do we use Logic Apps? Azure Logic App is a cloud-based platform for creating and running automated workflows that integrate your apps, data services, and systems. So this is the frequently asked questions. Thank you. Thank you one and all.